Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk drive belt used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Before carrying out this operation, we recommend watching our video, 5 Things to Know When Changing a Drive Belt. This helps explain the key role that this part plays. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. For safety reasons, we recommend unplugging the battery. Using a socket wrench and an 8mm socket, unscrew the terminal from the negative terminal. Loosen the stud bolts on the passenger side wheel. Lift the front of the vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. To change the drive belt on your vehicle, you need to remove the passenger side wheel to gain full access. Remember to slide the wheel under the vehicle. You will also need to remove the mudguards. Using a T20 Torx screwdriver, remove the screws holding the mudguard. You can now take off the mudguard. The drive belt moves the alternator, which charges the battery. Yet, it also operates the power steering, the air conditioning compressor, and sometimes the water pump. Using a ratchet and a 15mm socket, slacken the belt by lifting the tensioner pulley. At the same time, remove the belt.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
When changing your drive belt, you must also replace the tensioner pulleys. The first retaining screw for the first tensioner pulley is behind the pulley. To access it, lift the pulley. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the first retaining screw. Then unscrew the second retaining screw. Remove the pulley. This vehicle is also fitted with an upper tensioner pulley. As on our vehicle, the cavity that allows the tensioner pulley to be slackened may be broken, making it impossible to remove the retaining screw opposite the cavity. If you're lucky enough to have a working tensioner pulley, all you have to do is tighten the pulley using a 15mm spanner and lock it with a metal pin. After this, you can easily unscrew the 3 retaining screws. In the event of a broken cavity, start by unscrewing the upper retaining screw using a 10mm socket. Then unscrew the lower retaining screw using a long 10mm socket. For the screw opposite the cavity, start by unscrewing it with a socket wrench, then by hand. Once it has come up against the cavity, pull on the tensioner pulley to create the space needed to remove the screw. Remove the tensioner pulley. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. New pulleys are fitted with metal locking pins to make them easier to install. Take the first new tensioner pulley. Put the new tensioner pulley in place. To make it easier for you to install the first screw, we recommend installing it on the part before presenting said part. Screw the screws back on using the socket wrench. Finalize the tightening of the screws with the Torx wrench. Take the second tensioner pulley. Put the new tensioner pulley in place. Finalize the tightening of the screws with the Torx wrench. Take the new drive belt. Pay careful attention to which way up you use it. The writing on the belt must turn clockwise. Slide the new drive belt into and around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. To put it back in place completely, lift the tensioner pulley to remove the locking pin. Then release the pulley to tension the belt. Before starting your car again, check that the belt is properly positioned in all the pulleys. Put the mudguard back in. Replace the holding clips. Screw the screws back in. You can then put the vehicle wheel back in place and lower your car to the ground, not forgetting to fully fix the wheel in place. Reconnect the battery. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.